Hello everyone, today we are going to learn color shading with highlight with the help of oil pastels. We are going to solve on this worksheet. Before starting, I want to mention one thing. On this worksheet, there is a one small mistake is there in highlight word. It is an highlights. Okay, now we are going to start to do drawing. Here we are going to use HB or 2B pencil, regular pencil, to draw the drawing with the help of pencil. Last time we learned how to draw the shapes with the help of box and right triangle shape. Then we are going to divide in two part, then one side part going to match second side, and that time we are able to do the proper drawing. Here I am going to show the highlight part with the help of pencil, unless you can leave that space as a white only, then also we are able to color it afterwards. Here I am going to use white color to show the highlight part. Afterwards we are going to mix with the yellow and orange color. Now I am going to choose the color which we are going to use on this colorful pot. As you can see here, I choose the yellow, light orange, and then red color. Before starting, near the highlight, I am going to use yellow color. See that when you using that color, if you want to make shade or gradation in this, no need to give the pressure on it. Just lightly I am going to use and overlap this color. Like this we can do. Then I am going to use dark orange color. You can divide with the pencil also which part we are going to give the light, dark and highlight, but all shades should be mixed properly. That's why I'm not going to do any lines with the colors, because it looks like a one shade and gradation. Now I'm going to use a red color as a dark part of this pot. Minimum 3 shades is required to show the color and roundity and solidity of that object. Now our first filling is almost finished. Now we are going to use second time. That time you have to give the little bit pressure more on that chalk or oil pastel. That time we are able to mix all color properly, like this. If any white part is remain there, we can do overlapping color there. Try to paint it smooth and plain. Where you keep white part there also you can give the shading with the help of light color and white color, mix it together. Now I am going to use red color once to mix all shades. See that the how much intensity of that highlight, you have to use that colors in that much quantity. We can do this. Now on top surface we are going to use a gray color, but here I am going to use a violet color where is exactly dark portion is there. Avoid to use a black color. Here I am going to use warm color shades to show the dark portion. If any white spot is there, we can use this type of technique to mix color, unless you can keep like this only. Okay, now here you can see where is actually white color is there, we already give. I'm going to mix little bit yellow color and light orange color to show the highlight part. Now I'm going to use the black and white color to make a gray color combination on the top surface of this spot. As you can see, against the light, this light is coming there. As you can see, it's look like a hole. There is no any sharp corner is there because it is an oval shape. Like this we can make a shading. In this worksheet we use warm color and try to show the highlights on object. This is the basic assignment regarding still life. We are going to solve one by one detailing still life. Now on this worksheet we learn how to show highlight with the simple 3 steps. Afterwards it's look like this.